Okay, what is going on, y'all? With your boy Trend Trader, where we come over here, we trade with the trend. Let's go ahead and get this thing going. I'm going to talk about I'm going to go over this. This is part 2 of TradeLocker platform video review, right? So the first video I just covered a little few pieces, bits and pieces here and there, but I'm gonna do a full view, detailed review on this video here. TradeLocker been out for some time now. I didn't go into the history of it. When did they actually start or whatever, but you know, big deal. I just like the platform. I like the way it's set up. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so this is what I'm using right now on TradeLocker, right? This is my demo account, as you can see at the top. Okay, let's get into it. So what I like about TradeLocker, that's what I'm gonna go with first. What I like about TradeLocker is the fact that you could come down here. Let me get out of this right quick. Let me come down and get out of this. Okay, here we go. You come down here, right? Click on your sell and your buy. I'm not going to do it right now because I'm already in the buy right now on Ethereum on my demo account. So this is my demo account. I put money in it. Well, I had money. I reset what I had in it to make it look like it's more realistic. What I wouldn't normally put in there myself, right? So, and right now I'm up $242 on Ethereum. Got a 0.12 lot size, right? So, all right, let's go. So come down here, you can press sell and buy. So simple. That's what I like about it. Very simple. And once you click it, let's go to Ethereum right quick. Where's my buy order? Here it is. It's down here at the bottom, right? Let's close this down a little bit. It's down here at the bottom. I can click on this here and I can drag it. I can click stop loss and I can drag it up, down, whatever. And then after I do that, just press confirm and boom, it's set. And take profit, same way. Up, down, drag it where you want to put it at, and then confirm it. Boom, you good. So let's discard that. You can also, once you go to this screen here, once you drag this out the way, you get this little move around little tab right here. It was just pretty freaking cool. Okay. So let's pull this back over here right quick. Let me stop playing around. As you can see, you come over here, you can search up what you want to look for as far as your indices, cryptos, and forex. I got my favorite. These are all my favorites here, what I like to watch pretty much. But you can take this off and go through everything. This is all up under your broker. Whatever broker you sign up with, you will see this, what they have set up that you could trade, right? As you know, I'm under forex. I'm under Ospreyfx. It's my broker, so got a pretty decent size of indices and cryptos and forexes that I could trade, in metals as well, gold. Let's go back to my favorites right quick, and let's go to the camera right here. You can take a snapshot, boom, download the image, copy the image, same thing as on TradingView. Tweet the image, same exact thing. Full screen, not full screen. Up here you can change the name, rename it, you know. Let's see, and here go your indicators. As you don't, my last video, I think I covered it in a tad bit, but not as much. But you only have so many indicators. I'm thinking they're going to add more indicators as they progress and upgrade the platform or whatever. But I don't really use too many indicators. I use a few on TradingView itself, and as you can see here, I only use 2. I got my Bollinger Bands and I have my MACD. That's it. Sorry, I had a cold. The past few days. I got some phlegm, mucus in my throat, so you may hear me try to get it out. But that's that, right? So candlesticks, choose your candles. If you are familiar with TradingView, you know it's the same exact way on TradeLocker. Somewhat. They don't have the 3-minute chart on here yet, but they are actually working on it, and they don't have back testing on here yet, and they covered that, I think, either yesterday or this morning on the live on Discord. Then once you get TradeLocker, sign up to that Discord, be a part of the team. You know, they have discussions in there where they talk about different indices, cryptos, different currencies. You know, everything is right there on the Discord. It's pretty amazing, man. I love the Discord. I interact with everybody in there pretty much. I don't know them too personally or too well, but I just be in the general chat or the crypto chat and type what I see for as moves, big moves, or you know, not so big moves. Let's see, on this side here, everything here is still the same. It's on TradingView. All your tools and everything the same exact, so nothing different here. Let's see what's at the bottom here. And once you put in a buy or sell order, it will show up down here at the bottom. As you can see, I have Ethereum right here. I bought at 0.12 size lot, and I entered at 3229, right? So, and this is, you can close it out right here, close position, or you can do a partial close, or you can also just come down here and click on the X. If this is GJ, let's go to Ethereum. Come down here to the this, click on the X, and boom, you out. You out just like that. Let's reset this chart right quick. What else? Let's see. Market. You can click on market right here. It'll show pending. You can slide this down and you can click on, well, it's not going to show up now because I'm in a buy order already. So once you drag this down, it'll give you the option to click on sell here, and boom, it'll sell. Or I may can do it, but I don't want to do it right now, but it'll let you do it. And if you can drag it up, click on drag it down, my bad, drag it down, yeah, my bad, drag it down, sell stop, drag it up, buy stop. My apologies on that, but that's how you do that with the draft pending. Okay, now I haven't really dig much into risk. I don't know what this is or how this works. I click on it, I don't know the difference. I don't know what to do with this. I don't really touch it. I don't touch risk. Stop loss here, I don't really touch this, but because I just go to, it's the same thing as, you know, clicking on the but I just go to the thing itself and click on that and do my stop loss, like right there, right? That's what I do. So when I take profit, just drag it up and down. Okay, so that's what I do on that. Let's see, you got your favorite bar right here. Same as TradeLocker. Let's see, am I missing anything? I think I covered everything. I want to make the video too long, but now I'm gonna go over, I think that's pretty much it, because it's real simple, man. It's real simple and straight to the point. You know, come down here, you can go to your demo account or switch to live account, and they have one-click trading, right? You can take that off or you can leave it on, however you like it. Once you click it off, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to place this trade? And you click confirm, and boom, you end the trade, and that's that. So let's see, I think that's pretty much it on here. Should be pretty good. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, that's everything. Everything else here is still the same as on TradingView, but that's pretty much TradeLocker in the how you say it, in the nutshell or whatever. But yeah, that's that. So I want to go over now, not too much in depth, but briefly, like the things I like about it. I'm not sponsored or I'm not being paid to do this video. I just want to do the video to show you guys about TradeLocker, tell you about it. It's plenty of videos out there that covers TradeLocker. I don't know how much details they cover about TradeLocker, but they probably go deeper than me, you know what I'm saying? But this is my point on it. This is me showing this to you guys as I'm on my journey in trading. So, and what I like about TradeLocker is it's real simple to control. It's real smooth. It's real quick when it comes to execution on your trades. You get in and out, right? In and out just like that, and they give you that option to do one-click trading. That's what I like about it. You can leave that option on, or you can take it off, and everything is just set up right here. You ain't gotta go back and forth from here and the TradingView, unless you want to add more indicators on your chart. Then you go to TradingView. That's what I currently am doing right now. Yeah. So, and another thing I like about it is whenever you, I don't think TradingView does this, but maybe it does. Once you click reset chart and you zoom out, it keeps up with the chart. I don't know if TradingView does this or not. I ain't really pay attention to it, but yeah, that's what that is. And you can also, once you, to get rid of that, just scroll over here and then it'll take that away. Right? So that's that. That's what I like about it. Few cons, not too much, just, you know, indicators that they need to improve, and back testing, which they will pretty much add on later. But that's pretty much it, man. I don't know how long this video is. I will currently see when I get done recording it, but I want to thank y'all for watching the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with your boy Trend Trader. Let's make this money. Peace.